Alright guys, so now I'm standing inside the Grande Residence I. Actually gave me permission and they're going to show me around here so I can show you guys around this new big building going up here. It's a condo building, but they have, let me see, they have one bedroom, two bedroom. I think I read in the brochure they have a penthouse, and they also have just a studio apartment. They're not paying me to do this. I'm just doing it because, you know, with the show, you know, the condos and this big building that's going up here, show you guys what's going on. So yeah, let's go check it out. All right guys, we're getting ready to go into the one bedroom here. Now these are just models. These aren't actually in the unit itself. They're actually going to take a tour up in there and show you, you know, some of the construction and things that are going in. But this is the one bedroom, so we're going to go in and we're going to check it out. Very beautiful, very nice. Now, from reading in the brochure, you can get it fully furnished. I would imagine some of the things are just going to be standard, you know, your kitchen sink, your cabinets, your bathroom. But from, like I said, what I was reading in the brochure, they do offer them fully furnished. But you can see it's a nice living room area here. Kitchen area. Nice big beautiful mirror there. Makes it look big in here. Dining area. And then off here to the side is your bedroom. Nice big bedroom. Almost looks like a queen size bed in here. So you see the queen size bed and how much room you have. And then here is the bathroom. Very big bathroom, very nice. Big jacuzzi tub. Well, that's nice. Your sink area. Your shower. Glass shower doors. And then your toilet. But yeah, it's very big bathroom. A lot of space, as you can see. Nice big bedroom here. Like I said, this is the one bedroom unit. If you're wondering how much these units are going to be running, at the end of the video, I'll put a price list up so you can check it out. But this is the one bedroom, air conditioning in the bedroom, air conditioning out here in the living area. So the one bedroom, and here it is. All right, now we're going to head down to the studio apartment. Like I said, these are just models. So yeah, let's go in and check out the studio apartment. So this is the studio apartment. It's just one, well, it's a studio apartment. It's got the bed in it. Air conditioning, kitchen area, dining area. Very small. I mean, it's simple. It's a nice little unit. There's the sitting area. But yeah, here it is. Over here is the bathroom. They got some closet space right here. Some drawers down below. Here's the bathroom area. It's a little small, but you know what? If it's just a single person in here, it's perfectly fine. shower, glass doors, nice big shower head. No jacuzzi tub in here. It's a studio apartment. Take another 360 pan around here so you can see it. Very nice. And this can come fully furnished if you would like. There it is. All right, so I'm going to go up into the actual building itself now and show you around in there, show you some of the views. They do not have a 2-bedroom model unit here. Actually, from what I was told, the 2-bedroom units are going to be on the very 2 top floors, so they're going 2 more stories higher, and up there will be the 2-bedroom units. So yeah, let's go in and check out the construction site. Show you what's going on in there. All right, guys. So right here where I'm standing right now is going to be a pool. They're going to have a lower pool down here, and they're going to have an upper pool, an infinity pool up top. But yeah, right here is where the pool is going to be, and you see all the units up here. They're all up here. Now every unit has a balcony on it, and the balconies all they're all open, and some of the units, no, all the units actually have a bay window that you'll be able to look out into this bottom court here and check out the pool. But yeah, right here is where the pool is going to be. Now we're going to head up here to the 3rd floor. Some of the units are actually pretty much completed, and so we're going to go check them out. I don't know if I want to go down there where they're spraying. We'll go down here quick. All right, so we're in this unit right here. This is a studio apartment, as you can see. They're finishing up, they're cleaning it up, getting it ready, tile floor, big bay glass window like I was telling you, so you can actually look out into the middle, look down into the pool area. Here's the deck. I'm going to swing around here and show you real quick from this side. Here's the deck, and like I said, we're on the 3rd floor, so this would be your view from the 3rd floor. Down in here, it's going to be where the swimming pool is. They're actually going to have a bakery on premise here also, a little convenience store, a gym. From what I was reading, there's going to be a heliport. But here's the view from the 3rd floor. All right, we're going to head now into the 2-bedroom apartment up here that's being constructed and finishing up on it. You see it? Nothing's in here. It's just almost completely done. Here's your bedroom. And back in there would be your CR. But floors are tiled, bathroom floors are tiled, walls are tiled in there. Now, I was told that the 2-bedroom units will be located on the end of the condo unit here. And did I say 2-bedroom? 1-bedroom. 1-bedroom will be located on the ends of the building here. The 2-bedroom units will be located on the roof. They do have one penthouse suite in here, and that will be also located on the top floor. But here's your view from the corner from the 1-bedroom apartment. Down in there will be your swimming pool again. And this will be your view from the 1-bedroom corner apartment or condo unit. So yeah, this outside here, this walking area will actually go completely around the condo unit here. Actually, that one has a bay window here. Oh, it's the corner unit, so that would be the 2-bedroom. From where I'm standing, I'm actually looking, or the 1-bedroom. From where I'm standing here, this bedroom here, and this is the bedroom, will have a bay window. But this is, like I said, this is another one of the 1-bedrooms, and it's on the end. Anyways, this is your view from the 3rd floor. All right, let's stroll down this side. I've worked construction years ago, and this is definitely a different construction site than I'm used to. Got the rebar here set up to keep you from falling over. Hello. All right, guys, here's some of the workers here. They're all smiling, all happy. Don't think they don't work, because they're all on break right now. All right, guys, so that wraps up the little tour here. I hope you enjoyed it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the information in the description box down below. The link, the website, their Facebook page, in case anybody be interested. I'm also, at the end of this here, I'm going to put up a little photo of the prices and everything like that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the tour. Like I said, Angeles City is growing. What we just toured was actually the first phase of the construction site here. They're putting up 4 towers in total over the next few years. The 2-bedrooms, like I said, they're completely sold out. I was told from the woman in the office that the studio apartments, 80% of them are sold out. So they're selling. Investors, overseas investors, they're purchasing them, buying them up. You don't have to necessarily purchase them and live here. You can purchase them and rent them out. That's what a lot of these places do. And what happens here is they rent them out for people here on vacation, people coming here to work. But like I said, anyways, I'll put all the information down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like, dislike button. The choice is always yours. Leave some comments below. Let me hear what you have to say. And I guess until next time.